Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about Alteryx. Alteryx is a self-service data prep and data science tool. As you know, Alteryx is a data preparation analytics tool with an intuitive user interface. This offers extensive features for self-service data preparation, analysis and predictive analytics that citizen data scientists can use for all sorts of data preparation analysis, including advanced analytics, predictive analytics, and machine learning. Alteryx is similar to ETL tools like Informatica and Pentaho in terms of layout, but offers much more features and also more accessible. I judge it to be well suited for citizen data scientists who do not have much experience with sophisticated ETL tools like Informatica, Pentaho, or SQL, but understands their business and data well. Alteryx is a much mature tool compared to Tableau Prep, and hence this provides much more source and target connection options. The tool also provides a lot of pre-built predictive models which can be integrated with the data in the process of ETL design. This is really a good self-service data prep tool as department users understand the meaning of their data best and they can utilize the tool on their most relevant metrics to see future trends. As you can see in this diagram, my friends, Alteryx can be used for both self-service data prep curation and self-service data prep business enrichment tool. And here, as you can see, Alteryx can read data from variety of RDBMS and other data sources, including flat file, Excel, etc. And it can read data from SAP sources also using a connector called DBW Analytics, and similar other connectors are also available. So once you are able to read the data, you can either directly use the data in the visualization tools like Tableau, or you can load the data in your data warehouse, different kind of data warehouses, and then from there you can use either in Tableau or SAP Business Object or SAP Analytics Cloud or Power BI or any visualization tool. So here I would like to say what kind of supported inputs Alteryx can connect to. Alteryx can take input from a variety of sources like all popular databases, Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, etc. Big data like Cloudera, Hadoop, Hortonworks Hadoop, Hive, MapReduce, Hive, etc. Data warehouses like Teradata, Snowflake, etc. and in the forms of like CSV, Excel, etc. Join and data transformation capabilities. All common data preparation like join, union, VLOOKUP, filter, fuzzy matching, group creation by association, aggregation, pivot, transpose, running total, weighted average, etc. can be done effortlessly with a click. A lot of features like field split based on delimiter, automated field split, calculated field formula tool, etc. are supported. Broad spectrum applications are possible using these features. While a great deal functionality can be achieved via drag and drop, sophisticated and specific needs can still be fulfilled using custom scripts. Macros. Macros can be used to create repeatable processes, a kind of procedure function. 4 types of macros are supported: a standard, batch, iterative, and location optimizer. Data profiling. Browse tool can be used for detailed pictorial data profiling. Data quality. Alteryx provides all sort of no-code inbuilt data cleansing and data quality features using which users can quickly improve data quality. Imputation tool can be used to replace null or a specific numbers by average, mean, median, mode, or by a specific value. Autofill tools can be used to automatically detect optimal data type and size. The users are recommended to make use of these as Alteryx has a garbage in garbage out approach that can stump the uninitiated. So data quality should be considered very well in advance and it should be taken care of, like data should be of good quality. Then only you can expect good quality visualization. Data sampling. All sort of data sampling based on different criteria including random, percentage sampling is possible. Supported outputs. So once you have done, you have read the data, you have done all the transformation, you have taken care of data quality, and you have done with all this, then you need to store data in some databases or CSV, or you can directly read data into different visualization tools like Tableau. Output can easily be written into a lot of data stores. More than 200 plus output formats are supported, including Excel, databases, CSV, Tableau Data Extract, TD and Hyper both, and NoSQL, etc. Performance optimization. Advanced features include but are not limited to batch size setting for optimal data performance, data caching for different data sources, etc. Apart from these, in-database tools can be used to perform query, transformation, joins, calculations, etc. in the database engine and to improve performance. Scheduling. Apart from above, scheduling is possible from designer desktop if server core is licensed. Reporting. Reporting tool can be used to create well-formatted graphs and tables applying different rules for formatting data such as a split table by group, etc. Reports can be exported to presentation files such as PDF or Excel. A lot of formatting and enhancements features like header, footer, layout, organizer, etc. are available to create professional reports. Now comes predictive and ML tools capability. So Alteryx support predictive and machine learning capabilities also. Alteryx can use R scripts for advanced analytics and predictive analytics. Two pre-built R time series forecasting models are supported out of the box. ARIMA and ETS. Tools to compare the time series model and to find better models are also provided. Apart from this, all kind of modeling like A/B testing, predictive grouping, prescriptives, etc. can be coded using R. All considered, I like the intuitiveness, maturity, and accessibility of the tool and enjoyed working with it. This is just a brief summary and a bird's eye view for an extensive and exhaustive set of features. It can be said without doubt that this is an easy-to-use self-service data prep and predictive analytics tool for the citizen data scientist. That's all for today, my friends. Okay, have a great day.